Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How's your day, guys? Today we got, I forgot we got new decorations. We got this. Take a picture. And we got that one over there. Tile level. I gotta go fix the sign. There's this morning I was filming. I didn't realize it in the video, but when I replayed the video, I realized that. So, nice day break. Been hearing a lot of nice trucks today and day breaks. Just a little. Watch this, he's gonna come out here. Pretty sweet truck. But he got trees he's carrying are cut in half. That knee kind of sounds like my brother's bike brakes. That's nice. That's a nice sounding day break though. And they're coming. And Suzu with a Suzu possibly in it. I'm scared. Foul, but oh wait, I take it. Foul, but I take it. I think it sounded nice. I honestly thought it would have been on spray painted. One minute, I'm always looking down the hill over there. So whenever I see stacks, I won. Hey, is that 40 east? Yeah, 40 east. Think it is. Wow. Oh, I can tell you that. Nope, it's not, but it's just struggling. Here's all the bubbles. That's nice. But not nice enough. Oh, a Volvo too? Dang, there's a lot of trucks out today. There's a Volvo. CDT. I like CDT. They're the best company out here. CDT is a proud reporter of autistic kids. I have autism and I'm emotional. Oh yeah. Y'all didn't know depression allows you, when we all depressed or have depression, if I didn't know, it makes you feel other emotions stronger than normal person. Look who's coming up behind me. They are talking. I did it on for a second time. Hello, Sky Girl, or whoever the heck you are, they are. Hello, they are talking. Got yourself a new local, guys. Whole company here, VIP local now. I got like more than only one truck for them, but that got kind of a. But one thing, if you have a deck break on, your whole family is VIP.